Hey everyone, ever found yourself juggling a million tasks, trying to keep your team on the same page, and feeling like you're constantly putting out fires instead of actually getting things done? Yeah, me too. It's a universal struggle, especially when you're trying to grow a business or manage any kind of collaborative project. That's why project management software has become such a crucial tool for so many of us. It promises organization, streamlined communication, and ultimately, less stress. Now, when you start looking into project management solutions, one name that inevitably pops up is Basecamp. It's been around for a while, it's got a strong reputation, and you've probably seen or heard about it. And that leads us to the big question that I know many of you are asking. Is Basecamp software free? It's a fair question, right? In today's world, we're bombarded with freemium models and free trials, so it's natural to wonder if a well-established player like Basecamp offers a completely free version. So, let's dive deep and get a clear answer to this question and explore what Basecamp actually offers in terms of pricing and features. To put it simply, as of today, April 28, 2025, Basecamp does not offer a completely free plan for ongoing use. They operate on a subscription-based model. This means that to use Basecamp for your projects and teams beyond a trial period, you will need to pay a recurring fee. Now, before you click away thinking this video isn't for you, stick with me. Understanding Basecamp's pricing structure and what you get for your money is crucial in determining if it's the right fit for your needs, even if it's not free. Plus, we'll explore some of the nuances and past offerings that might be causing some confusion around this topic. Historically, Basecamp did offer a limited free plan called Basecamp Classic. This was their older version of the software. However, Basecamp Classic is no longer available for new signups. The company has fully transitioned to its newer version, simply called Basecamp, which operates solely on a subscription model. So, if you stumble upon articles or discussions mentioning a free Basecamp plan, it's highly likely they are referring to this legacy version that is no longer an option for new users. So, if there's no free plan, what are the current pricing options for Basecamp? As of today, Basecamp offers straightforward pricing based on a flat monthly fee, regardless of the number of users. This is a significant differentiator from many other project management tools that charge per user per month. Their current pricing structure typically revolves around a single plan with a fixed monthly cost. This plan includes access to all of Basecamp's core features and allows for an unlimited number of users. The price might vary slightly depending on whether you choose to pay monthly or annually, with annual subscriptions often offering a discount. As of my last update, the standard monthly price for Basecamp is around $99. If you opt for the annual plan, you might see a reduction in the effective monthly cost. It's always best to check their official website for the most up-to-date pricing information, as these details can sometimes change. Now, let's talk about what you actually get for this subscription fee. What makes Basecamp a popular choice, even without a free plan? Basecamp is designed to be an all-in-one project management and team communication tool. It focuses on providing a centralized platform where teams can collaborate effectively and stay organized. Here are some of the key features you can expect with a Basecamp subscription. Project organization, to-do lists, create and assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress. You can break down larger projects into smaller, manageable steps. For example, for a website launch project, you might have separate to-do lists for content creation, design, development, and testing. Message boards facilitate team discussions and keep project-related conversations organized by topic. Instead of scattered emails, all communication about a specific task or milestone can be kept in one place. File sharing. Easily upload and share documents, images, and other files with your team. This eliminates the need for emailing large attachments back and forth and ensures everyone has access to the latest versions. Schedule, manage deadlines, events, and milestones with a shared calendar. This helps everyone stay aware of important dates and plan their work accordingly. Automatic check-ins. Set up recurring questions to gather updates from your team on a regular basis. This can replace lengthy status meetings and provide a quick overview of progress. For instance, you could set up a daily check-in asking team members what they worked on yesterday, what they plan to work on today, and if they are facing any roadblocks. Communication and collaboration. Campfire, Real-time chat engage in quick, informal discussions with your team in dedicated chat rooms. This is ideal for quick questions, brainstorming, and general team banter. Pings, direct messaging send private messages to individual team members for more direct communication. Client access. Invite clients to specific projects to keep them informed and involved in the relevant aspects of the work. You can control what clients can see and do. Project management tools. Hill charts. A visual way to track the progress of tasks that involve more uncertainty and exploration. It helps to show when a task is in the uphill phase of figuring things out versus the downhill phase of execution. Project templates. Save time by creating templates for recurring project types, pre-populating them with common to-do lists, message boards, and settings. The beauty of Basecamp lies in its simplicity and focus. It aims to provide a comprehensive set of tools without overwhelming users with unnecessary complexity. Many teams appreciate its intuitive interface and the way it centralizes essential project information. Now, you might be wondering if there are any ways to try Basecamp before committing to a paid subscription. The good news is that Basecamp typically offers a free trial period. This allows you to experience the full functionality of the software with your team for a limited time, usually around 30 days. This trial period is an excellent opportunity to see if Basecamp's features and approach align with your team's workflow and needs. During the free trial, you can set up projects, invite your team members, explore all the features, and get a real feel for how Basecamp can help you manage your work. It's highly recommended to take full advantage of this trial period to make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.